trying to buy some NFTs. You know how it is. Anyways, Ideanomics. This should be a clip. But David, what has happened with Ideanomics? Well, Ideanomics subsidiary concludes a follow-on order for 28 wireless chargers. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Ring the bell so you get notified every time we're online. I'm not a financial advisor. Wave, a subsidiary of Ideanomics, IDEX, finalized a multi-million-dollar purchase order from the Antelope Valley Transit Authority, AVTA, for 28 wireless charging systems. Wave was acquired by Ideanomics in January 2021 and allows transit agencies to electrify their fleets with in-route charging. These orders come from this order comes after the 2019 announcement that AVTA will become the first fully electric fleet powered by wireless chargers, directly resulting from its partnership with Wave. Yeah, we actually need some wireless and a little bit less noisy machine cutting grass, or machine grass cutting. I don't know, man. AVTA has been a strong supporter and customer of Wave for years, and with this order, they are doubling down on their commitment to provide green, sustainable public transportation for the people of California, said Aaron Gilmore, CEO of Wave. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go and check out Ideanomics, bro. Let's check out Ideanomics. Let's do it right now. IDEX is the one to check out. And here we go. Actually, IDEX is exactly what I wanted to see, man. This is exactly what we wanted to see, guys. Why do I say that? Well, let me tell you. The reason why I say that, let me go ahead and remove this trend line first. So we got some resistance at 557, 361. We got some support levels over here at 203. We can actually go a little bit lower. That's why I had this support level at 190s. And I actually like that $2 area. Now let's go ahead and draw this trend line, guys. You can see that over here. We drew the trend line. We broke the trend line and we created a resistance over here. Created a resistance, went back down, created a double bottom, created a higher high from the previous lows or previous highs over here, which were a mess. Now I went ahead and drew again this trend line. When you see this trend line, we get to break it. Now we get a resistance at 255, and obviously when we break trend lines, we gotta retest the price. Okay, as you can see over here, at once we broke, we created a gap. That gap had to be closed. We closed it, and we actually went further down, which is not bad. And I actually think that looking at the RSI, we can actually go a little bit lower. You can see over here that we can be a little bit more oversold. When we hit the 30 level of the RSI, that could be the oversold area. That's what I want to see. Now, this morning with this good news, it's actually going to take the price higher. So we're going to be up when we open 216. That's about 2.5%. What I'm looking forward to, though, is a break of a resistance. I have not sold my shares. I am actually getting more shares in my portfolio because look at this range, guys. 115% range. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to doubling my money minimum. Okay, minimum. And then after that, I see some more potential for upside, but let's not get in too deep in that for now. Things are starting to look a little bit better. We know, we said last week that the beginning of this week was going to be a little bit bearish. Do you remember? I remember. And it wasn't only Evergrande situation that actually took the market down. It was actually the the Hong Kong market was actually closed for the holiday season on Monday. So there's less liquidity. There's less volume in the market. So naturally, we're going to go down. Just like if the American market is going to be closed for a holiday. There's going to be less volume. That's why you shouldn't even invest in the Forex market when that happens. Why? Because there is less volume, more risk. Now, We want to see the structure providing us the direction. When there's volume, okay guys, when we get this sense of direction, when we get this confirmed, for example, if we get to confirm this and we get a little bit of volume, we can push to the upside. And that's for a bull case scenario. So always watch out for the RSI, watch out for the fundamentals, for the news, watch out for the trend lines, because we want to be ahead of the curve. And guys, let me know in the chat room, let me know in the comment section, do you think this is big news for Ideanomics, IDEX, or do you think this is nothing? This is gonna be nothing, and we're gonna go lower to the bottom of the ocean with SpongeBob bobbers.